Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to walk through how to update Microsoft Edge on your PC step by step. Before we start, let me explain why updating your browser is so important. Updates don't just bring new features, they also fix bugs, improve speed, and most importantly, keep your browser secure. If you don't update regularly, you might face issues like slow performance, websites not loading properly, or even security risks that can make your computer vulnerable. So, keeping Microsoft Edge up to date is one of the easiest ways to make sure you have the best browsing experience while staying safe online. Now, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge by clicking on its icon from your desktop or taskbar. Next, look at the top right corner of the browser and click on the three dots. This is the More Options menu. From here, scroll down to the bottom, hover over Help and Feedback, and then click on About Microsoft Edge. Now, Edge will automatically check for updates. If new version is available, it will start downloading right away without you having to do anything. Once the download finish, you will see a button that says Restart. Click it and Microsoft Edge will close and reopen with the latest version installed. In my case, it is already updated, so I will not have that button. Look here, Microsoft Edge is up to date. The version, this is the last version, okay? And that's it. Your Microsoft Edge browser is now updated to the latest version. Remember, keeping your browser up to date helps you stay secure, avoid glitches, and enjoy the newest features. If you skip updates, you might run into problems like crashes, compatibility issues with websites, or even put your personal data at risk. So, make it a habit to check for updates every once in a while. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides, and share this video with anyone who might need help updating their browser. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.